right, everybody listen up. Another member of our crew has been eaten. There's an alien on board this ship, and it's one of us. I'm going to ask a question to which only an Earthling would know the answer.
But Captain, we're from all over the world. We will not all know the answer, right, Captain?
That's right,
But if you're from Earth, you'll know. Write down the name of the world's most popular soft drink. Don't move!
Coca-Cola, I knew it, I know. You know, I mean, it flew out of my mind. I had a little brain cramp, that's all. I'm over 40. You don't know because you're young yet. You don't know how that happens to you. The other day, I forgot my wife's name, Mildred. There. I'm looking around for my car keys. A half hour, they're in my hand. That ever happened to you, huh? Captain, I'm sorry about eating Henderson.